In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lip sync video in CapCut. Whether you're working on an animated project, creating engaging social media content, or just experimenting with fun new editing techniques, lip sync animations can really bring your videos to life. CapCut is a powerful, user-friendly tool that makes this process surprisingly simple, even for beginners. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn your static images or videos into animated masterpieces that sync perfectly with dialogue or audio, let's get started. First, let's set up the project. Open CapCut on your desktop. Once it's up and running, click the New Project button to begin. This will create a blank canvas for your work. Next, you'll want to import the image or video file you'd like to animate. To do this, select the Import option, browse your computer, and choose the file you want to work with. This step adds your media to the media bin, which is where all your project assets are stored for editing. Once your file is imported, drag it onto the timeline below. The timeline is where all the editing happens, so placing your media here is an essential step before we can move forward. Now that your project is set up, let's move into enabling the lip sync feature. Start by clicking on the clip you just added to the timeline. This ensures that the right file is selected for editing. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with several options. Locate the Basics section within this panel and scroll down until you find the lip sync feature. Once you see it, flip the switch to enable it. If the option doesn't appear right away, double-check that your clip is properly selected on the timeline. Sometimes it's just a matter of clicking the clip again to activate the options. Next up, we're going to add the audio source for your lip sync. You have two ways to do this, depending on what works best for your project. The first option is to type your dialogue directly into the Enter text box. If you go this route, you can then click Text-to-Speech, which will allow you to browse through various voice profiles. Once you find one that fits your project, select it and confirm your choice. Alternatively, if you already have a pre-recorded audio file, you can upload it by clicking Add Audio. This will let you locate the file on your computer and attach it directly to your clip. Adding audio is a key step because it provides the words and sounds that the lip sync animation will be based on. Now let's move on to generating the actual lip sync animation. With your audio in place, you'll need to choose a lip sync model. CapCut offers two options here. The first is the standard model, which is great for quick results and maintains the original proportions of your image or video. The second option is the vivid model, which creates more detailed animations, but reshapes your media into a square aspect ratio. Keep in mind that this might alter the framing of your original image, so choose the model that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Generate to process the audio and create the lip sync animation. Processing times can vary depending on the length of your audio and the level of detail in your image, so be patient. While CapCut works its magic. And for the final part, let's export your video. Start by reviewing the timeline to ensure everything is synced correctly. Play through the animation to check that the audio and visuals are aligned the way you want. If everything looks good, click the Export button. Here, you'll be able to choose your format and quality settings. Make sure to select the options that best suit your intended use for the video. Once you're happy with your settings, save the final version to your computer, and your lip sync animation is ready to share. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a lip sync video in CapCut, from setting up your project and enabling lip sync to adding audio, generating animations, and exporting the final result. If you have any questions or want to share the projects you've created, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.